So as a CTO,
yeah,
in obviously a forward-thinking industry,
mm-hmm.
I want you to think of anybody in C-level of any industry, and I want you to suggest 3 AIs that every C-level person should be engaging with.
3 AIs, like tools to use.
Tools, yes.
Yeah.
Correct. Tools.
I think it's very helpful to use, ChatGPT is the obvious example.
Yeah.
Use that one, right? It's an industry leader. No one's going to fault you for using it, but also use Claude. Anthropic is a competitor to OpenAI, and their Claude AI is better in some cases and worse in other cases. And I think having an example where you can realize that these LLMs are not a one and done solution is super helpful, right? And outside of those things, I think playing around with some of the image generation tools, whether that's DALL or Adobe's got their Firefly or any of those, they're also helpful, right? Because at the end of the day, what you need to do as a C-level executive isn't to master this technology, right? There's, again, your developers, your data analysts, your data scientists, they will help you master that. What you need to do is figure out what the capabilities of these systems are, right? And that comes from experimentation and understanding how when I make a request of a system has an impact here versus an impact there, how can I get it to do something or not do something, right? And once you understand, again, going back to the elastic band analogy, it is an elastic band, but how far can I pull it before it breaks? Or exactly, what does it do when you pull it, right? Does it immediately snap back or does it hold into shape? You need to figure out these things yourself before you can then start creating roadmaps and plans for your team, right? You've got to set that directive, but how can you do that when you don't know the capabilities?
Yeah.